Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. My name is Julie and what we are working on today is my guest bedroom. That room has just become a hot mess express. Everything that I have not wanted to look at or deal with has kind of went into that room. I'm starting my morning off here with some coffee so that I can get some energy to do my workout and then get in here in this room and get it cleaned out. Here is a glimpse of what this room looked like before. Like I said, it is a complete mess. I have stuff everywhere. I am so embarrassed. I do not normally let places in my home get this bad, but you know, it is what it is. Sometimes it just happens. We had a graduation this year and we've just been really busy working on decluttering and doing a lot of things in the rest of the home. So I've just kind of shoved it all back here, out of sight, out of mind, right? So that's kind of what I did. And this is just giving you an overview of what we are working on today. I do believe that this is going to be a two-part video, so we will probably start in this bedroom today, but we just may not finish it all, and that's okay. We can come back tomorrow and finish it up and show you the final look. That is part of me and my learning to slow down. But anyway, I do want to talk to y'all. I have been trying to work out, and I wanted to show y'all something that just died on me recently. So I have my husband on here, and he's going to show y'all this treadmill that I bought on Marketplace. I was so proud of it. I bought it for $75. I have been trying to be really good about working out, exercising, and all of that. So I got this because it folds up, but the other day when I got on it, it literally just quit working. He's trying to get it to work again, but it smelled like it was on fire the other day when I was on it, and it will not go. We think the motors burn up in it.
Yeah, turn it off.
So, like he's having to manually do that himself. Yeah, see?
Error 1.
And then it starts throwing up these error codes, and I've tried it for the last 3 days. I've been doing the Walk at Home YouTube channel because this has been broke. So I'm gonna have to get rid of this and do the walk at home, I guess, videos for now. So I truly do believe that the Lord hears the desires of your heart. And I think he just knew that I was really, really trying to do better with walking and trying to lose a little bit of weight. So I cannot even tell you how excited I was that the Lord worked in my favor and sent someone from Costway to my email and asked me if I would do a review of something from their brand. I could not have been more excited to receive that email because my treadmill had just stopped working. So I chose the 2.25 horsepower folding treadmill with Bluetooth speaker, and it has a lot of key features that I'm going to share with you here in just a minute, but I absolutely love this thing. This large LED touch display is perfect for me because I don't have to have my glasses on to see what I'm doing. It does have a very powerful silent motor, which I will demonstrate for you here just shortly. It's very quiet, and I do love that because I like to get up and work out while a lot of my house is still asleep. It does have these Bluetooth speakers. It has this place right here where you can put your hand and it will monitor your heart rate. It does fold up, which I'm also going to show y'all. Here's where you can put like your cell phone or just different little things like that. I will have a discount code on the screen here for you. I think it's 10%, and I will also have that code listed in my description box for anybody that may be interested in purchasing anything from Costway. If you've never checked out their website, I encourage you just go look them up. They have so many things over there for you to take a look at. That was me trying to show you just how quiet this treadmill was. I've had them in the past where they are just so loud. So what I was doing there, I was turning those little blue knobs to loosen these legs basically up so that I could lay this over and fold it down flat. Now there is a con to this treadmill, and I will explain that to y'all here in just a minute, but I do want you to see how easy it was for me just to pick up. And I actually had to move the camera, so I was holding it with one hand. It does lay flat on the wall here, but you have to kind of lean it towards the wall, which I really don't like that. That is the one thing about this treadmill that I'm not crazy about, is the way that you have to kind of just lean it against the wall, because I feel like that could fall on somebody and really hurt them. So I do feel like they could do better there, or maybe you could come up with something in your own home if you purchased one like this. Now I'm just showing you how easy it is to pop this thing back up. You screw those same little blue knobs there, tighten it up, and your treadmill is all in place and ready to go again. Thank you so much, Costway, for sending me this treadmill. It is definitely a blessing. Costway's website information as well as the coupon code that they gave me to offer to you will be in my description box below. So this is a bit overwhelming. What I want to do is rearrange this room. First of all, I want to take this bed and turn it and put it over there. I used to have it like that a long time ago. And since it's a Saturday, I can have my husband to help me do that. But I've got to make a spot for it first. I have so much stuff in here, so I've got to take a minute and just take care of mostly all of these pillows and blankets so that I can vacuum over there really good and we can at least get the bed shifted. That's what I'm going to work on first, just trying to stack up all of the linens maybe over here in the closet and making me a hole so that I can get the bed turned around, and then I can start really cleaning out and organizing. I can't even get y'all good angles because everything's so messy, so we're just gonna have to work with what we got for right now. Also, if it's something that I know I don't want for sure, I'm going to go ahead and throw it out in the hallway. And I've already got a pretty good bag of trash going. This blanket and pillow stash is a bit ridiculous. I need to go through this and really get rid of some stuff. Unnecessary blankets. But I do end up using them at some point, so it's like it's hard for me to get rid of them because I might want to pull them out during the spring and summer or something. And then I have this beautiful bed skirt that I thrifted that we are going to put on today after we move the bed. Because I'm going to have my husband go ahead and help me do that. He can help me take the mattress off and get that all situated while he's in here. I also have a brand new set of sheets that I bought for Elizabeth for Christmas, and then realized her bed is a full and not a queen. But this bed in here, it is a queen. And I tried to take these back, and I forget where I got them, maybe like Burlington, and they will absolutely not take bedding back, even if it's never been opened or out of the package. That's their policy, just in case you didn't know. So I did move the vanity out of here, and it's in my bedroom. This is trash. I have to move this TV. I did get a couple more of these bags that you can put things in and store them, like suck all the air out, because this one that I had all of these pillows stored in literally ripped to shreds. I definitely have a pillow problem. I am at least making some room, slowly but surely. I want to make this room very functional and easy for the kids to play in. I want it to be my style, but definitely kid friendly, if that makes sense. So I have an old white chippy farmhouse looking table out on our patio that was out in our shed before we tore them down, and I cleaned it up and put it on our patio, but I really wanted to have it in the house because I love it that much. So I think I've never really had a spot for it, like it wouldn't fit anywhere. But since I took that vanity out of here, I think it might fit in here now, and it will be a place that the kids can play, either draw or play with their little houses or play games or whatever. And then I can go thrift a couple of like old farmhouse looking chairs. So we're gonna see if that'll work in here. I've got to get my picture frame situation back under control. I used a lot of these frames that I thrifted from our little picture wall for Elizabeth's high school graduation. So I need to get that back in shape. I think I'm gonna use these curtains outside on our back porch. So I'm gonna go ahead and get those out of here. Oh, I have a whole thing where I keep these. I need to put this in the living room. And because I did clean out that vanity, I had this whole thing of DVDs in there. I'm going to move this to the living room and a cabinet in there that I have. And then I have a basket under my TV where I keep seasonal scarves. So I'm going to move this stuff there. Before you go outside, I'm going to get you to help me move this bed. I just got some random stuff, some baby monitors and stuff that I like to keep in here. So I'm going to have to find a little basket or something to put these in. We like to have these when the babies are here sleeping and napping and stuff. Just going to go ahead and strip this so I can wash the sheets and everything. They're already on here. I've had grandkids spending the night over here. And there's no telling. There could be crumbs, chocolate milk, oh, who knows what in this bed. This also came out of the vanity, and it is all of my wax melt stuff and the bulbs and everything like that that go to the little Scentsy warmer I have. Okay, so here's what we're looking like from the corner across from the closet over there. I'm actually standing where I want to kind of move the bed. I'll go over there and show y'all in a minute. I'm actually using a chair at my little vanity, so I'm going to end up putting that somewhere. And then I have my pillow hoard over here waiting on me to go through. So here's kind of what it looks like from the door. I can't even open the door all the way. But, yeah. I at least made enough room so we could get the bed moved around and turned around, so. Now I'm standing on the other corner. I'm standing basically in front of the closet. So that's where I'm wanting to put the bed. I put the head of the bed up there and then have it going like this way and kind of pushed over as far as I can, but leaving enough room to get down and make it, and maybe putting that little farmhouse table with a couple chairs over here in front of the window. I don't know. We're going to see. I'm excited. I am ready to get this room in shape before the holidays hit. Okay, so I'm going to vacuum over here in this corner and get this corner all clean and ready the best I can so that we can get this bed moved and turned around so that I can start finishing up the declutter, cleaning, and organizing of the rest of the room. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop this video here after I get this corner vacuumed. I am learning that it is just not realistic for me to try and get a video from the beginning of a project to the end of a project. Sometimes I can do that, but there are days where we're going to start a project one day and then we might finish it the next. Again, I've mentioned this already more than once, that is part of my learning to slow down. Everybody is so used to, and I get it and I understand it, that you want to see the videos from the start and then to the finish. But from a content creator's perspective here, sometimes that is just not realistic. So I am slowing down, and sometimes we will just go into the next day to get this video complete. I hope that y'all understand that. I cannot wait for y'all to see the final product of this room. It is beautiful, y'all. Again, thank you to Costway for sponsoring a portion of today's video. We hope y'all have a wonderful evening. Again, we love y'all, and I'll see you back here tomorrow with a brand new video.